Hello guys, I'm RR. You are watching 07 Edit. Today I'm gonna tell you how to set perfect skin tone on your photos. Skin tone plays most important role in your photo. If you post your photos in any social media sites, then everyone notice your face. If your face tone is perfect, then everyone like it. So, let's get started. First of all, you need Lightroom app. Link in the description. Go download and open it. After open this app, add your picture. That is a picture which I want to edit. It's looking perfect. But that's not perfect. Notice the subject and background. Background is too much brighter than the subject. For fix it, go to the light section. According my picture, I'm decrease 100% highlights and increase 71% shadows. If now you can notice highlights and shadows, then increase whites and black balance according your picture. Now come to the main point. For fix your face tone, go to the color selection. Avoid everything, just increase the saturation 100%. Every photos need to do this. Now notice the background, which color you see too much in between, blue or yellow color. In my picture I can see the yellow color, so I'm just decrease the temp. You notice which color you can see in between, green or purple color. In my picture I can see green color too much. So I'm just increase tint. And also increase vibrance in between 50%. Now just down the situation on 0%. Go to the mix tool. Select the orange color. Increase the saturation according your face tone. And also increase the luminance. If your face have yellow or red color, then increase some yellow and red color. Now, notice my shirt, it was pure white. But it's now some blue and white color. For decrease the blue color, I'm just select the blue color. And decrease some saturation. Now just save. It's now ready for next step. In next video I will show you how to smooth your face without destroy face texture. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, just subscribe my channel and like this videos for upcoming videos. Goodbye, take care yourself.